Today I'm going to be cooking sweet mandazi. As you've seen, I've prepared my ingredients. I have 3 eggs, cardamom, salt, vanilla essence, 1 cup of flour, self-rising flour, margarine, sugar, and milk. 1.5 cups of flour. Then I'll add a pinch of salt. Two spoons of sugar. Then I'll mix it together. Now I want to add the wet ingredients. I'll start by cracking my 3 eggs. My last egg. Then I'll add my vanilla essence. When you add vanilla essence, don't add too much. Then I will now melt my margarine. So I have my melted margarine. Before I add milk, I'm going to be adding bit by bit. Now I'm going to mix and mix for it to set for 30 minutes. Then we'll see the final product. My mandazi dough looks like. Now we're going to start by cutting it and putting in dough. Let me first unwrap it. So you'll first roll it, then we cut it. Don't make it too thin, just make it the perfect size. As we wait for the oil to heat, we are going to continue making the pairs of mandazis. If you want to know if the oil is hot, sometimes you can put a small piece of mandazi, like just a tiny piece, or you just wait for the bubbles to form. So we're going to wait for the bubbles to form as we make the mandazi. One thing in the kitchen, you're supposed to be careful of the items you're using and for the fire. And our mandazis are looking very good. So my mandazis are ready. So I'll use this one piece of mandazi. When it starts frying is the time I'll start putting my mandazis. So I'll just now prepare the place I'm going to cooking my mandazi. So we're supposed to wait for each side golden brown, but then we're not supposed to turn it so much, or else it's not going to be ready like completely. So I'll put the rest of the mandazis on this sheet. So this is pretty good. This shows your good side that you've made the mandazis nicely. Now I'm going to just remove my mandazis. So this is my finishing product and it looks good. Now I'll just serve it with hot tea and you'll enjoy. So now I'm going to continue cooking with the rest. Thank you for having my time. Bye!